Hey there, welcome back. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover a topic that many Amazon FBA sellers encounter: how to delete a created shipment in Seller Central. First things first, log in to your Amazon Seller Central account. Once logged in, navigate to the Inventory tab and select Manage FBA Shipments from the drop-down menu. Now, let's proceed to the next step. Within the Manage FBA Shipments section, locate the shipment you wish to delete. For now, we are selecting this. This could be a shipment that you've already initiated but haven't yet shipped out. To open the shipment, simply click on the shipment name. Look for an option labeled Delete Workflow for unprocessed shipments or Cancel Shipment for shipments already in progress. It's usually located at the bottom of the page. Once you're sure, click Delete to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully deleted a created shipment in Seller Central. Thanks for watching and happy selling.